Hello everyone, my name is Ravi Patel. I'm here for presenting CPD portfolio presentation. Here is the overview of the portfolio presentation. It includes introduction, resume, overview of professional experience, CPD record sheet, and 9 evidences, and the last one is conclusion. In my resume, I have included my personal information. The objective is to make use of my extensive knowledge and the skills and synergize with the organization to focus on and achieve the long-term goals that have been put into the place. I'm pursuing my Masters of Mechanical Engineering from Central Queensland University. I have gained my professional experience in Kavita Precision Works. My role was quality supervisor. I have done my internship of 3 months at Alto Packaging. My role was as intern as a quality inspection engineer. I have included my special skills, extracurricular activities, professional membership. I am member of Engineers Australia, and here is my number. Overview of the professional development. I have completed my internship at Alto Packaging. My project was on quality of inspection of manufactured products during the internship. The duration of the internship was 3 months. I have experience to work in, I gained experience to work in Australian working environment. I have learned quality inspection skills, professional skills, technical skills, etc. I have studied the course of Masters in Mechanical Engineering, through which I have developed various skills which will help me in future. The work experience has provided me to experience the engineering field at workplace. I have worked as a quality supervisor, which has helped me to enhance my professional skills. Here I was able to maintain the quality of the products by inspecting them visually and through the machines. Here you can see the CPD record sheet in which I have included 9 evidences and the accumulated hours. The total hours are 1,556. Here is the evidence one from my major unit, Australian engineering practice. The two evidences shows my involvement in stage 1 competencies. Here first one is achieved grade in Australian engineering practice, and second one is EA stage 1 competencies grade nomination from portfolio. Here I was able to study the engineering in Australian context, which helped me really. The knowledge of the contextual factors which I was able to study, and I understand the norms, roles, and responsibility. I was able to achieve and gain the skills such as teamworking, communication skill, time and risk management, and I have learned the engineering fundamentals which have really helped me during the internship. I have learned Australian standards and EA Stage 1 competencies roles. Here is the evidence 2 of fluid machinery. I have included 2 evidences. First one is achieved grade. I have passed this unit from with distinction, and another unit is methodology calculation from one of my project. Here in this unit I was able to design the hydraulic pump with the calculations and designing of the pump with different parameters. I have solved different problems with the calculations which have helped me. Here I was able to learn MATLAB software, which was very new for me and which helped me in future. And I have completed 2 projects in this unit. I was able to understand the industrial hydraulic systems and also the industrial mechanism, how that works, and was able to solve the complex engineering problems. Here in the evidence 3, I studied the unit advanced modeling and control of dynamic systems. The 2 evidences shows the one is achieved C grade, and another is a simulating model of quad bike from the project. This evidence reflects the study of mathematics, numerical analysis, which shows the engineering discipline. In this unit, I was able to use tools and resources during my laboratories, and I have applied the engineering techniques, synthesis, and design process during my projects. Here I was able to learn different MATLAB functions and AutoCAD software. Here I was able to application of simulation and designing of quad bike, and I learned the technical skills such as software and different calculations. I performed different experiments in laboratory which helped me to work in different mechanism. I have improved my professional writing by performing several projects. Here is the evidence 4, which I have included the unit thermofluids engineering applications. You can see the 2 evidences. One is designing of precipitation tank, and the second one is characteristic curve with the system curve for pump. I was able to understand the design process and the system curve during my project, and I have applied the engineering methods, techniques, and tools during my project to fulfill the requirements. And one of the project was to design the HVAC system for the Rockhampton campus from CQ University. This evidence reflects application of engineering discipline. I was able to learn from this unit different engineering design processes such as Pelton turbine, air conditioning, cooling tower, and centrifugal pump throughout my laboratories. I learned designing of HVAC system, which was very new, and I also gained technical skills by learning design builder software. The research on the industry-based projects such as aluminum plant by designing the transportation system for aluminum, which was one of my project during this unit. Here is the evidence 5. I have shown the engineering research project planning. I took the one project of waste management and I passed this unit by C grade. I was able to research in different engineering discipline and undertaking the scopes, principle and norms, accountability in waste management. I learned systematic approach for project management, how to research and implement the information. I was able to write my report in professionalism. I have learned systematic use of information for project, and I also learned how to apply engineering knowledge to solve the problems. And the research helped me to gain new engineering field for power generation. Evidence 6 shows the internship I undertook. The first evidence is the certificate of the internship, and the last two evidences are different activities performed during the internship. Here I was able to understand the plastic manufacturing from different machines and application of systematic approach to quality inspection. In the internship, I was able to inspect the quality of the materials by as a role of quality inspection engineer. I was able to self manage. I gained self management skill at workplace, and I was able to understand the legislation, norms, rules, and standards. I experienced the Australian working environment, which helped me very well. I learned professionalism and self management. I understand the manufacturing process of different products, and I learned to use different engineering equipments throughout this internship. In evidence 7 represents the engineering research project implementation. The evidence shows the model validation of waste energy plant and the modeling of waste to energy plant. I was able to understand the scopes, norms, and accountability of engineering practice. The creative idea for waste management was generated, and I did research on the waste management that reflects research direction within the engineering discipline. In this unit, I was able to learn new software, which is Thermoflex, and I was able to design a waste to energy generation plant uh, in this software. I learned professional writing and also learned the effects of contextual factors that are impacting engineering discipline and the whole world. Understanding the design process for the waste management was very new for me. In the evidence 8, I have shown the sustainability studio. This evidence shows the aims and objectives and the budget of the project. The factors affecting the energy consumption were carried out during this project, and creative ideas were taken for to maintain and efficient energy. Application of different engineering methods to the problems were carried out, and I have applied engineering techniques, tools, and resources to reduce the electricity consumption. I was able to learn uh, different methods to reduce the energy consumption, and I also learned the factors affecting the environment such as carbon footprint. How can we reduce it? And I have understand the roles of information technology in an energy field. Here you can see my professional experience uh, in Kavita Precision Works, and I was able to understand the extrusion process, professional use, and management of information within the workplace. I improved my professional skills, learned different extrusion processes, which very helped me in during my masters, and I learned about the brass rod manufacturing from extrusion process. Here is the EA stage 1 competencies which I have shown, and I have provided the evidences to meet the criteria of the EA stage 1 competencies. I met the requirement of the CPD unit of 480 hours by doing CPD hours of 1556, which shows that I have fulfilled the CPD requirement. From all the experiences, I have developed new skills and enhanced them. I was able to apply my academic knowledge in practical use. From the units I have studied throughout my masters, I have developed so much various skills. I have learned different designs and simulation software such as MATLAB, AutoCAD, and Design Builder. From my experience, I have learned and enhanced my skills, which will improve my professional personality as well as social personality. The technical skills and organization skill which will help me to improve my career as a mechanical engineer. The academic knowledge will help me to enhance the performance of my career, and all the knowledge and skills which I have learned will help me to secure my future. Thank you so much. And if you have any question, you can ask.